Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file a complaint with the Bar Association. First, you need to identify the correct bar association that regulates the attorney you are complaining about. Each state or jurisdiction has its own rules and procedures. Next, understand what types of misconduct they investigate, such as ethical violations or negligence. Finally, begin gathering all relevant documents and evidence to support your claim, like contracts or correspondence. This preparation is crucial for a strong case. When preparing your complaint, be very clear and concise. Describe the attorney's specific actions that led to your complaint and the harm you believe was caused. Include all relevant dates, names of individuals involved, and specific details of the events in chronological order. Remember to attach copies of all supporting documents, such as emails, letters, or court filings. Never send original documents, as they may not be returned to you. A well-organized complaint helps the investigation process. Once your complaint is prepared, it's time to submit it. Many bar associations now offer convenient online complaint forms directly on their websites. This is often the quickest and most efficient method. However, some associations may still require a written complaint to be submitted via mail or even fax. Always double-check the specific submission requirements for your jurisdiction. Also, confirm if there are any associated filing fees. Though many bar complaints are free to file, follow their instructions precisely. After you submit your complaint, the Bar Association will typically review it to ensure they have jurisdiction over the attorney and the alleged misconduct. If they proceed, an investigation will be initiated. This process can sometimes take several months, depending on the complexity of the case and the association's caseload. You will generally be kept informed of the progress and ultimately notified of the outcome. This notification will include any disciplinary actions taken against the attorney, if applicable. Patience is key during this stage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.